Okay. Today, guys, are you ready to learn about Ilonggo and Hiligaynon translate in English and Arabic? So let's start with
Tutu.
a young boy or a child. Sometimes use play for a young boy.
يو.
بالعربي ولد صغير.
صح. بلاي.
Home,
بيت.
صح. سلكيان.
car,
سيارة.
ممتاز. كلمة بلاي.
neighbor,
جيران.
صح. أدلو.
sun,
شمس.
بولان.
moon. Mashallah.
قمر.
Mashallah,
Mashallah.
perfectly said. Wow, it's very nice to learn Ilonggo and Hiligaynon. Translate English and Arabic.
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for and hit the button, follow and subscribe.
Safe ka ba yan?
Safe kabayan.
Yeah,
Salamat
mashallah.
po.
Walang
Ganyan?
anuman. Oo. Okay. Don't